Today you are going to learn how to make lesson videos, and it will be completely free, and you can get all the information where you can make lesson videos for your students and uploading that in different platforms like YouTube and Facebook. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to just give you a very little information that for making a videos like Khan Academy, you need a stylus, and that is like we have one stylus which is from Wacom, and you can use that stylus, and it has also a paid which is like that one, okay, and it is from Wacom company. If you are going to see that, then therefore I'm also giving the link of that Wacom stylus and tablet in the description of that video, where you can easily access and buy that, and you can use while you are going to make lecture for your students and other different people, okay. Now next you need different other like softwares. For example, I'm going to show you one thing you are going to need. You must have like recording software, which I'm right now using. There is also paid version and also free version. For example, the free version which I'm using right now, it is like that OBS, okay. The link of that software is also in the description. I'm going to give you, and you are going to download that software, and you can easily make and record your video. And here you are going to see that I have stopped recording, and therefore I'm recording right now, and it is like recording here. Therefore, if you need to record your complete screen for free, you can use OBS, which is one of the best software. And another software which I recommend, and it is also paid if you want to buy, then that is TechSmith Camtasia, which is one of the best software for like recording and screencasting and recording each and everything for your lecture, okay. If you need to buy, then you have to use like TechSmith Camtasia, and if you need free version, then you are going to use OBS Studio, okay, which is open source and completely free. Now next we are going to need like how to write and how to display our information for the students. For example, I have one free software which every operating system has, and it is like MS Paint, and you can easily write here everything. Now let me give you my screen. Here you can see on the top that I'm using my Wacom, and it is my Wacom, and here I have like my screen and my complete screen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take like the fill, and here is a black, and we are going to black the screen. And now we are going to use the pencil, and I'm going to use the white color, and I'm going to write here like A, okay. Let me use here my pencil, white, okay, primary white color, okay. Here I'm going to use like A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, and that is how you are going to just give information about your students, that what you are going to do, and you can explain each and everything. For example, A plus B left hand side, which is A plus B square, and A plus B and A plus B, it means it is two squares, therefore we are going to write. Even you can change the color as well. For example, A plus B and A plus B, okay. Now you can also change like different color as well, and you can just give information to your student whatsoever you are doing. Now I personally don't use MS Paint, but if you have like less budget where you are going to use a free version for yourself, then you can use like MS Paint with OBS, and everything will be all right, because you have complete free resources to make your video. Now another software which I'm using, like Adobe Photoshop, which is very powerful, but it is paid already, you know that, but for 30 days you can get a free demo version as well. You can download that easily and just experiment. If you like, then after that you can just buy the software and use for whatsoever purpose, for making lecture or lesson for your students. It will be a best option. Now I'm also give you a simple like overview how we are going to use Adobe Photoshop. Now for example, I'm going to use that custom like white background, and here in the like, let me show you, in the layer we are going to use our solid color, and here I'm going to take it black. And now I'm going to make a new like layer, and with the help of my Wacom tablet, now I'm going to write whatsoever I'm going to write. Okay, now for example, we are going to take brush, and brush you have different options. Like I have hard round pressure size, and you can see that hardness is 100% and size is like 6 pixel. And now I can also zoom a little bit here and pan it into center. And now what I'm going to do, we are going to take like pen tool, and now with the help of white color I can write. Now you can see the difference between, like, you had a paint tool, and now you have like for example, you have like Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Photoshop is very smooth. For example, I'm going to write here, and then left hand side, which is equal to like a plus b square. Okay, and therefore we are going to write here a plus b and a plus b. And the power of Photoshop, you can easily change the color. For example, a and a plus b, and for example plus b, a plus b. Okay, now how beautifully you can just write that. For example, a square, and we have like plus b square and plus, and we have 2 like the Khan Academy, which Sal Khan use different colors for transcript or the writing which they are like writing. It give a better sense that what you are doing, like A and B. Okay, now that is what we have achieved for our right hand side, and we can easily give complete understanding to the student that how you are going to give a presentation to your screen, and give them a little bit information that, or all the information that how you are, what you are going to do, and that is how you are going to make a screencast. Okay, now one thing which make that very confusing, that most of the people may be a little bit confused about all these tools. Okay, but in editing, what you are going to do, you are going to just trim all those area and just let that the black area should be here. And if you want to learn about how to trim and just let everything or trimmed and removed and just black screen should be here, like Khan Academy, I will also make a video, but just you have to just mention that in comment box below. And again, I have a Wacom, which I'm going to just give the link in the description, where you can easily access and get that tablet or stylus and all the other information for the software which you are going to download. Okay, for now, if you have any problem, just write that in comment box below. If you don't subscribe here, just subscribe for more amazing videos. And If you like that video, thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.